Do I really need an attorney for probate? Will working with an attorney save me time, money, and stress? I'm Elijah Keys, a California certified specialist estate planning attorney. That means I'm like a board certified physician, except I'm a board certified probate attorney. I've done hundreds of probates in my career, and I'm here to talk to you about them. Probate is a court-supervised process that oftentimes feels overwhelming. When someone passes away, you're suddenly handling a list of unfamiliar tasks, deadlines, legal requirements, and you're expected to handle it all while you're grieving. That's when these questions naturally come in. Do I really need an attorney for this? Is there any way to avoid probate in the first place? These are the same questions we walk through with our clients every single day. And if you're watching this, you're likely navigating a loved one's estate and just trying to do it the right way. At my firm, Keys Law Group, our mission is to guide families through life's most difficult transitions with clarity, confidence, and care. So let's talk about how we do that. Let's talk about when you might need legal help, how you can plan to avoid probate altogether. Do I really need an attorney for probate? California does not require you to hire an attorney for anything. You can always be your own lawyer. Going through probate process without one can be a risky and costly decision for a couple of reasons. Probate in California is filled with procedural rules, mandatory forms, strict deadlines, credited notices, court petitions, possibly even disputes with family members. Even a single misstep can delay the court process or even result in legal consequences. For example, if the executor doesn't mail the required notice to all creditors, as under Probate Code 9050, the creditors can personally sue the executor later. Like after the probate is closed, Citibank gets to sue the executor. Here's why working with an experienced probate attorney is oftentimes not just a convenience, it's a safeguard. Probate attorneys are here to guide you step by step through the probate process. You have to verify that the probate attorney knows what they're doing. They'll ensure court filings are accurate and on time. They'll help prevent costly mistakes. They'll minimize delays and stress. And they'll navigate disagreements and legal hurdles. In short, while not required, having an attorney can save you time, money, and serious headaches. Can probate be avoided altogether? Now let's flip the question. What if you could avoid probate? The truth is, not every estate has to go through probate. In California, there are several strategies to legally bypass it. We did a long video about this, just a whole series about this, and you can find that here. Revocable living trust. A properly funded trust is one of the most effective ways to avoid probate. Assets titled in the name of the trust pass directly to beneficiaries. No court involvement is needed. Beneficiary designations. Accounts like IRAs, 401ks, life insurance policies, even bank accounts oftentimes have designated beneficiaries, meaning they pass directly to that person outside of probate. Don't name a minor as a beneficiary because the minor has to go to probate court anyway. Joint tenancy or community property with rights of survivorship. These forms of ownership transfer property to a surviving co-owner without probate. Certain steps are needed, but the transfer can be done without a probate court. Small estate affidavits. As of 2025, estates valued under $206,000 may qualify for simplified procedures using a small estate affidavit. Sometimes this is called an affidavit under Probate Code 13100 or 13100. Why legal guidance still matters, even to avoid probate. Avoiding probate is possible, but only when your estate is thorough and legally sound. We often meet with families who assumed they'd skip probate, only to find out their trust wasn't fully funded or key assets didn't have beneficiaries listed. That's why estate planning isn't just about documents. It's about guidance. It's about strategy. It's about foresight. Working with a team who knows how to help you avoid common pitfalls is worth your time and energy. Whether you're deep in the probate process or trying to avoid in the future, you don't have to navigate this alone. Make sure that you contact a certified specialist estate planning attorney who can answer your questions, walk with you through next steps, and help you protect what matters most. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. Share this video with someone who you think could use this information, and follow along so we can help you develop the keys to your legacy.